Hi there. In this video, we'll cover what is a central bank? Who really controls the central bank? What can the central bank do? How does it affect you and me? The global game of the central bank. No fluff. Let's dive right in. What is a central bank? Imagine an organization that can print money out of thin air. It decides whether prices will rise tomorrow or whether your salary will drop. It can save a bank from bankruptcy or destroy an entire economy. It's not the government, not the president, and not even the IMF. It is the central bank. And if you think it just keeps money safe, you are deeply mistaken. Who really controls the central bank? Officially, the central bank is an independent institution that works in the interests of the citizens. But independent means its decisions are not controlled by the government. So who controls it? It's different in different countries. In some, it's the state. In others, shareholders, who can include the largest private banks. For example, the U.S. Federal Reserve System consists of 12 private regional banks owned by commercial banks. In other words, those who are supposed to be regulated actually influence the regulator. Here's the hidden truth. It's not the government or the people, but powerful forces that truly control the central bank. What can the central bank do? Its tools are almost magical. Printing money, sometimes literally turning on the printing press, sometimes just creating digital balances in banks' accounts. Interest rates, raise the rate. Loans get expensive. The economy slows down. Lower it. Money flows into business, but inflation may rise. Bank regulation. Want to operate? Play by their rules. In fact, the central bank controls the value of money, and whoever controls money controls everything. It has almost unlimited power, the kind that can shape entire economies with a single decision. How does it affect you and me? You might never take a loan, but the central bank's decisions still impact your life. Prices in the store? That's inflation, controlled by them. Your bank deposit? They decide the interest. Will there be jobs? If the central bank cools down the economy, companies may start laying people off. And all of this happens without referendums or votes. You don't even notice how a few people in a closed meeting room are shaping your life. The global game of the central bank. Central banks of different countries are connected in a global network. They cooperate through organizations like the Bank for International Settlements in Basel, the so-called Central Bank for Central Banks. And if they decide to tomorrow, they can change the rules of the game for all the money on the planet. The central bank is the shadow director of the economic theater. You didn't elect these people, yet they decide how much your labor is worth and what you can afford. In the next video, I'll reveal even more mysterious topics. To not miss upcoming videos, subscribe now and hit the like button. It costs you nothing, but it could save you thousands of dollars.